In the second part of this chapter, we're going to examine one of the most recent developments in IR theory, the theory of constructivism. At its core, constructivism holds that international affairs are the product of social constructions. Hence, they are not immutable, because they reflect widespread ideas that may change over time. Its principal scholar, Alexander Vance, aims to formulate an intermediate position in the agent-structure debate. To summarize constructivism's core assumption, we can say that assumption 1, according to constructivism, there is a kind of primacy of ideas. Social structure are determined by shared ideas rather than material forces. Assumption 2, actors are inherently social. Identities and interests of actors are constructed by social ideas, are endogenous to the social context. In a way, societies are constitutive realms. Assumption 3, the politics of change. Most significant politics relates to the change of the ideational roots of international affairs. Constructivism, as more generally the reflectivist theories, challenges a number of crucial assumptions of rationalistic theories, such as liberalism or realism. According to constructivism, reality is socially constructed. Actors are socially constituted versus the idea of pre-social preferences that is at the center of rationalism. Actors are also emotion-driven versus the idea of purely rational actors. Actors may be benevolent versus the idea that all actors are strictly self-interest. And societies are communicative realms rather than simply being strategic domains. Now, let's listen to Cahoon on this issue. It will help us understanding better the constructivist perspective.
I think one thing that's really important is how we imagine the world, how we create some of the reality that we live in by imagining it. This phenomenon of the social imaginary gives us not just some topics that we talk about, but the very way we talk, the way we think of the world. The social imaginary is a force that shapes even before we have made conscious decisions about how to act.
As you see, the focus on ideas and the importance of language is a common element in many 20th century disciplines. From philosophy, think about Wittgenstein, to sociology, Cahoon, to IR, where we find Vance and many other scholars.